Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic and Sol de Janeiro beauty box. I'm very excited about this. Yep, I cannot wait to show you everything inside. I think it's an absolute amazing beauty box. Before I get started, if you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button down below and also click the post notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you want to support my channel, you can click the little thanks button that's down below as well. That will help me out massively to get new products and review them on my channel. So yeah, if you would love to support me, then I would really appreciate it. But yeah, so let's go ahead and we'll get started with unboxing now. Okay, so this is what the beauty box looks like. Very bright and summery, very fitting for the brand, and yeah, looks so cute. There's 6 products in the box and altogether they are worth £91, but the box is actually selling on Look Fantastic right now. It's available right now for £40. So yeah, I think it's an absolute amazing box for the price, and yeah, I can't wait to show you everything inside. We get this magazine inside which tells us all about the products that are inside and of course more information about the brand itself. So really nice read there to find out all about the brand, because the brand is just newly launched on Look Fantastic. Here's a quick overview of everything inside. I did do a little story on it on my Instagram yesterday, and I've also shared like little pics and that of it here on the community tab as well. Okay, so the first thing we get inside the box, it's probably my favourite thing from the box because like I've been so excited to try this product, and it is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 62 fragrance. So this is like a body, and I think it says hair and body fragrance mist. So this smells absolutely gorgeous. It's the scent pistachio and salted caramel, and this is absolutely gorgeous. I sprayed it yesterday when I got the box because like I've been wanting to try this for a long time, and yeah, so this smells beautiful. I'm going to spray a little bit more here on my arm, and like, oh, it's so lovely. It's very fresh and summery. Like, you know, it has that kind of nice sweet scent to it because obviously the salted caramel and that there, and the pistachios, it just adds a really nice kind of like yumminess to the fragrance. It just smells beautiful, like, it really does, and I cannot wait to wear this on holiday. I think it's going to be such a beachy fragrance. It tells you the complete fragrance notes on the back. There's pistachio and almond, heliotrope, I've never heard of that. There's jasmine petals, there's vanilla, salted caramel and sandalwood. This is definitely my favourite product from the box, but there's other amazing products in the box as well. But this is definitely one of my faves. So that is a 90ml and that's £19. The other thing inside the box, which I'm so excited for, we actually got like a little mini of this in last month's monthly beauty box from Looks Fantastic. It's the Sol de Janeiro Balm cream. So I've heard so many great things about this and I was so excited about it in the monthly one last month. I never managed to unbox that for you guys because I received it late. There was a little bit of a mix up with the send outs and that, so they sent it to me a little bit later, but I'm glad they still sent it to me because that was actually a really nice monthly box. I really liked it, and I love the little bag as well. It's going to be great for holiday. So yeah, in that there was the Bum cream, and I always wanted to try the Bum cream, and I've tried it of course since then, but this is a fuller size of it and I'm so happy about it because it's an absolute gorgeous cream. It's definitely a fragrance for summertime, anytime really, because it's just very kind of like fresh and just yummy. This is it right here. It's a little bit of a thicker cream, but I don't mind it actually because it absorbs really well into my skin. I'm going to apply it onto my hands just now here, but it just applies and absorbs really nicely. It doesn't feel greasy, it doesn't feel thick or anything like that. So I do like the cream and I'm excited for the fuller size of it here. Absolutely gorgeous scent, guys. If you haven't smelled these before, then you really need to try them because they are lovely. This is their award-winning body cream, and of course we know that because we've seen it so many times. Everybody talks about it. And it says a fast-absorbing body cream which helps to visibly tighten the appearance of the skin, make the skin smoother and more glowier. And it has the same scent as the fragrance. So yeah, it's just a beautiful, yummy cream. Like, loving this. I love how well it absorbs into my skin. This is a 75ml and it is £20. Okay, so the next thing we get inside is the Brazilian Duo Shampoo. I don't know if that's how you say it, but this here, and this says it strengthens and smooths the hair. This sulfate-free shampoo is brimming with hair healthy ingredients like Brazil nut, selenium, and burite fruit oil and soil technology for hair repair. The result is that it gives you shiny, stronger, healthier looking hair. Okay, so let me give this a little smell. Like, it comes with this little clicky bit here, like so. If I can press that down there, so you open it and you just kind of squeeze it out there. These are like little travel size, which is good. So like if you've got like a holiday night coming up like me, then you can like take these with you if you want, because they smell beautiful. Like this one is like really, really nice. It has this like similar scents to like the fragrance mist and obviously the Bum Bum cream, but there's something a little bit extra in here, just something a little bit more fruity. Yeah, so I feel like it's really nice for the showers. Nice kind of, yeah, nice kind of fruity, fresh scent there. Yeah, I'm really liking that. Like, I love the hint of fruit there. It must be the burite fruit oil, whatever that is. I haven't never heard of that before. But yeah, it smells absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to use that. I love that it says it strengthens the hair. Yeah, that's going to be really good, especially for the summertime. So excited about that. And then the next thing we get inside is also something we can use for our hair, and it's the hair repair treatment. So we don't get any conditioner in this box, however we get a hair mask, and you don't have to condition your hair like as often if you don't wash it like as often, if you know what I mean. Like so like hair mask kind of thing, or hair treatments can kind of act like your conditioner instead of using conditioner all the time. So I'm not too fussed that there's no conditioner in here because I can use this guy. So this is the hair treatment right here. It's the same size of tub as the Bum Bum cream, so that's it there. I forgot to say the size of the shampoo. The shampoo is a 90 ml and this is £12. So the hair mask or the hair repair treatment like looks like this inside, very similar to the Bum Bum cream, and it has, I think, the exact same scent as the Bum Bum cream. So I'm just going to check the info on this. This is a mighty mask which repairs damage and provides deep nourishment without weight or heaviness. Formulated with the Soul Seal technology, this concentrated hair treatment repairs split ends and is enriched with a deeply moisturizing medley of Brazilian cupucucu, I don't know how you say that, moromomora and Tacoma butters to fight frizz and smooth texture. So yeah, this sounds amazing. I cannot wait to use this. I love that it says nourishing. I love it says it repairs the split ends as well, because that'll be really good for summertime with the heat and that. This is a 75 ml and this is £15. Okay, the next thing we get inside is the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Gel. So this is it right here. Same bottle as the shampoo. And it's also the same size as a 90 ml. This comes with a little clicky bit again, just like the shampoo. Clicks up like that. I'm just going to open it here for you to smell it. Yeah, so this has the same scent as the fragrance mist and the Bum Bum cream and the hair mask, whereas the shampoo one has a little bit more of a fruity scent to it. There's something extra in the shampoo, but this one here just smells like the Cheirosa 62 scent. It says that this is a sulfate free body wash and brings the perfect balance of gentle cleansing without ever stripping the skin of essential oils. It's a refreshing and deliciously scented shower cream, and it has the Cheirosa 62 scent inside as well. So yeah, this smells beautiful just like the rest of this products there. I cannot wait to use this in the shower. It is a 90 ml, the same size as the shampoo, and this is £10. Okay, so the next thing we get inside is the Brazilian Kiss Lip Balm, and I'm very excited about this because this, like, I actually really like the product, like the packaging for this. That's what it looks like right there. So it's a little bit of a kind of chubbier lip balm or a lip butter, they say this is. So a little bit bigger than other ones, and this is it here. So it's like a twist up stick like so, and you can also twist it back down, which is great. And it has like a little clicky lid, so you know, it clicks on like that, which I find so satisfying. And yeah, so I'm really liking this, and this has a little bit of a different scent to it. It's got still the similar scents obviously as the other products, however I'm sure this has got, let me see, yeah, Kupa butter or Kupa butter, ackee, and also coconut oils inside. So there is a little hint of coconut there, and also like still smells like that kind of caramel like and pistachio scent as well to it. It's very nice, like it's really yummy, so it's going to be really nice on the lips, like something that you could like basically eat and taste that will, you know, feel really nice and yummy on the lips. And it says it helps to keep the lips hydrated and soft and kissable. So yeah, very excited about this. This will be a full size of course, and it is £15. So yeah. And then the next thing we get inside the box is like a little sachet kind of sample thing of one of their newer creams, I believe, or else it's just another range, but I think it's maybe a little bit newer to be honest. It's their Bija for Elastic cream. I don't know how this is really pronounced really, but that's it right there. And with this it says that it's an elasticity boosting body cream, helps maintain a youthful Brazilian bounce and deeply moisturizes the skin. Okay, so I will give this a try a little bit later, but that is also like a little sample sachet that we get inside the box as well, which is great to try that range of course, because obviously, you know, everything else in the box is all from the one, like the same range, if you know what I mean. So that's like another range that they have, which looks good as well, but I will give that a try a little bit later. And yeah, that is everything that is inside this limited edition from Sol de Janeiro, and look fantastic, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my favourite beauty boxes this year, like especially like all one branded beauty box. Of course, like we've had like a lot of other limited editions, you know, like the Mother's Day, the Valentine's one, which have all been really amazing, but this is probably one of my favourite kind of like one branded limited edition beauty box. So yeah, very excited about everything in here. Like I said, one of my favourite products inside the box, or my most favourite product, is the fragrance mist. Like I always wanted to try this for such a long time, and it's going to be really great for holiday for me. The Bum cream as well, like I really liked it when we got the little small one in last month's beauty box. Another thing that I'm actually looking forward to trying out is the shampoo. Like I love that it has the same scent as the rest of the products, however there's like a little fruity kick in this, so I'm very excited to see how this goes in my hair and use it alongside the hair repair treatment mask as well. Like, I think these will be really great in the shower. So yeah, super excited about everything in here. I think it's a really great limited edition beauty box. Like I would love to know your thoughts on it, but like I said, everything is worth £91, but it's selling it's a complete set for £40 on the website right now, so I will link it down below in the description box if you're interested in it, because it's such a good box, and yeah, you need to grab it soon before it sells out, because I know it's selling out quite quick actually right now. So yeah, if you want it, then you should really grab it as soon as you can. But yeah, that is it for this unboxing, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up, and stay tuned because I do have more unboxings coming. Like after this one, I'm going to film a couple other ones as well. So yeah, there'll be a few new unboxings on my channel over the next few days and that. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.